So now history of intelligence or artificial intelligence. So यहाँ पर हिस्ट्री का पूरा चार्ट बनाया हुआ है हमने, ठीक है। 1943 टू 1980 एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम क्रिएट होते होते 1980 तक वर्क हुआ है, but now we are using this to much that extent, right? So artificial intelligence is not a new word and not a new technology for the researchers. This technology is much older than you would imagine. What? Then we are talking about from 1993, 87 to 2015, right? Right? So first, this chart, अगर आप ये chart ही remember कर लेते हैं तो you no need to study the complete history. Evaluation 1943 में we had evaluate the artificial neurons, right? Then turning machine, then the birth of AI, right? Then the first chatbot, which is Aliza, and the first intelligence robot, Warbot 1, then the first AI winner. Then the expert system is the output here. Then in 1987, the second AI winner. 1997, IBM Deep Blue first computer to beat a computer chess champion. Then 2002, AI in home, Roomba, right? Then 2011, IBM Watson wins a quiz show. Then 2012, Google. 2014, chatbot, Turing test, and the 2015 Amazon Echo. So these are the machinations of the artificial intelligence. This you can study. Year 1943, the first work which was recognized as an AI was done by the Warren McLeod and Walter Fritz in 1945. They proposed a model of artificial neurons as the human brain works on the neuron. ठीक है, neural network पे work करते हैं, तो they proposed a model of artificial neurons. Then 1949, Donald Hub demonstrated an update rule for modifying the connection strength between the neurons. His rule is now called Hebbian learning. Then 1950, say they had studied the computing machinery and the intelligence, which is further called as the test can check the machine ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence, which is known as a Turing test. The birth of artificial intelligence कहाँ से कहाँ तक है आपका 1952 to 1956, जिसमें 1955 में आपका फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस प्रोग्राम आया which was named as a logic theorist. This program had proved 38 of 52 mathematics theorems and find new and more elegant proofs for some theorems, right? So here we are talking about logical thinking, right? Logically theorems को prove कर पाए, right? And other solutions भी provide कर पाए proof के. Then year 1956 में the word artificial intelligence first adopted by the American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference, and the AI coined as an academic field. And now what the high-level languages such as the Fortran, LISP, Lisp or the COBOL were invented, and the enthusiasm for the AI was very high at that time. Then another golden years from 1956 to 74, जिसमें सबसे पहले चैटबॉट आपका जो establish हुआ Aliza. The researchers emphasized developing the algorithms which can solve the mathematical problems, right? So Joseph created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named as a Aliza. Then in the 1972, the first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan, which named as a Warbot 1. Now, the first AI winner, 1974 to 1980. The duration between year 1974 to 1980. Here the AI winter duration we are talking about which is the time period where the computer scientists dealt with a severe shortage of funding from the government for the AI researches. So during AI winters, an interest of publicity on artificial intelligence was decreased. In which phase? 1974 to 1980. Then 1980 to 1987. Again, after the shortage of that, AI come back with a expert system. So in 1980 में expert system आ गया. Expert systems were programmed that emulate the decision making ability of a human expert. So यहाँ पर हमने human expert ability, which is the decision making of a particular problem, has been developed here. In 1980, the first National Conference of American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at the Stanford University. Then what is the second AI winter? The duration between the year 1987 to 1993. Again, the investors and the government stopped in funding for the AI researches because of a high cost, but not the efficient result of a high cost. The expert system such as the XCON was very cost effective then. Then again, the boom had come in 1997, 2002 and the 2006. AI comes in the business. What till the year 2006, companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix also started using AI. And in 2002, for the first time, AI entered the home in the form of a Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. And in 1997, IBM Deep Blue Bits World Chess Champion become the first computer to beat the World Chess Champion. Now, अब जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, हम AI की further AI को एक हम subsets में divide करते हैं. तो we are talking about the machine learning, we are talking about the deep learning, we are talking about the big data. As जैसे ही इंटरनेट बूम पे आया, बहुत सारा डेटा जनरेट होने लगा, तो बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स आया, राइट. सो 2011 टू प्रेजेंट जो हमारे पास चैलेंजेस आए कि डेटा एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स में हो गया. तो अभी हमें बहुत सारा डेटा है, उस पर वर्क करना है, एंड देन डीप लर्निंग पे वर्क करना है, मशीन लर्निंग पे वर्क करना है. सो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ 2011 IBM Watson had proved that it could understand the natural languages and can solve the tricky questions quickly. तो यहाँ पर उसने प्रूव करा कि with the help of AI we can understand the natural language processing, NLP, right, and can also solve the tricky questions very quickly. 2012 में Google has launched an Android app feature Google Now, which was able to provide information to a user as a prediction, right? Now in 2014, chatbot further won a competition in the infamous Turing test. Then 2018 we are talking about the project debater from IBM debate on a complex topics with two master debaters and also perform extremely well, right? So here we are talking about the different technologies in which the AI already proved, right? So Google has demonstrated an AI program Duplex, which was virtual assistant and which had taken hairdresser's appointment on call, and lady on other side didn't notice that she was talking with the machine. So this is the 2018 about the virtual assistant we are talking about here.